Hi. I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I'm being trained in website design and want to show you a website that you might like. Wait, I can show it to you now. Here. Yeah, my boss figures that an agency that could get 1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for this website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos in the gallery, this link, right? And maybe your contact details on this link. Or if you have any other info that you want to add about your services and also about the company, yeah. Um, well, if this website would be good for you, do me a favor and hit the reply. Let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention I am Julie. I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Yeah, talk to you soon. Thank you.